The 16mm metal push-button switch is a common device in modern industry and everyday life. The installation hole diameter of this switch is 16mm. The housing of the metal push-button switch is made from high-quality metals, such as stainless steel, brass, and zinc alloy. In industrial environments, such switches are widely used in the control panels of various machines and equipment. In the home environment, this switch is also widely used in a variety of electrical equipment. The 16mm metal push-button switch can be customized with various patterns, voltages, and colors. The wiring mode of the 5-pin metal button switch confirms the function of the button switch 5 pins. They are: connect the positive electrode of the power supply to the common end. The LED is connected to the common terminal. The positive electrode of the equipment is connected to the normal beginning child. The negative electrode of the LED and the device negative electrode. Normal, the equipment is not working. LED lights on. When pressing button, device working. LED light.